Recently, I had a young athlete come in with neck pain. It hurt when he turned his head because he shrugged. So this is the correction I made for him to decrease the amount of shrugging, which immediately decreased his pain. Oftentimes people move their head and shoulders together. These compensation patterns don't really need to exist, but a lot of people do them, so let's stop that right now. One way is put your hand into a fixed object and then using your foot to drive into the ground. Think of it like you're waiting for a fly ball to drop and you're going to tag up off a base. So drive the arm into the wall, the foot into the ground, and lean into it like you're holding the wall up. Get nice and tall, and then turn the head. What we're doing is we're separating neck or head rotation from the shrug. This takes time to build these patterns. If you want to make it harder, you can raise the foot, but either way, we need to make sure that the headlights are together and you can separate shoulder shrug from neck rotation. And sometimes it's simple as that.